Hello friends. It's a beautiful sunny Saturday morning here in New York City and it's almost noon, but we're just about to head out. I had a bit of a stomach ache this morning, so I wasn't feeling very well, but I've recuperated a bit. I don't want to waste this beautiful weather, especially because we are going on a longer trip soon. So this is kind of our last weekend here in the city. We really want to savor the last bits of summer because it's going to be almost September, which is insane. Time just flies by. Yeah, so we're gonna go out for some coffee first. I want to try out this Malaysian restaurant. That's kind of it. The rest of the weekend I have a lot to edit, I have a lot to clean, I have a lot to prep. I'm gonna be telling you guys where I'm going. It's gonna be a really exciting destination, one that I've been to before, but I've never actually vlogged on my channel. So yeah, let's head out. Dude, it's so pretty today. Look at these blue skies. Whoops. And I almost just got killed. But look at the sunny weather. Oh no, is that the first sign of leaves changing for the fall? It's coming too soon. So busy. There are so many people right now, but we are in Union Square and we're about to go check out the largest farmers market in New York City. Just gonna take a peek to see what there is. Being at this restaurant makes us both so happy because it reminds us of our Malaysia trip back in April. So all the decor in here and like the food options on the menu and like the drinks, they just all remind us of that trip. This restaurant has like Malaysian, Thai, and Singaporean food, so it's kind of a mix of everything. So if you like any of those foods, then this is like the perfect place. Our appetizer has arrived. We got chicken satay, a very classic Malaysian food, a Malaysian dish, with the cucumbers and the raw onions on the side. And I remember in Malaysia we had pineapple. Do you remember?
One onion and one.
My stomach's still feeling a little funky, so I went with something more mild and with less spices. I got the Hainanese roast chicken rice plate. Look at how big it is. It's huge, and this is a small. This looks beautiful. Look at it. I'm excited for the rice and the soup. Honestly, everything. And then Andrew got char kway teow, which is like stir-fried rice noodles with beef and bean sprouts and egg and all the good stuff. Seriously, it reminds me of Malaysia. Wow, I'm so excited. Oh, this soup is like wonton soup. The rice has some of the chicken fat and like the chicken sauce coated. I love it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. These kind of suck though. I'm gonna go get some donuts now. Big fluffy cake like donuts.
Let's get the strawberry jam.
It's been a couple of hours now. We took a nap. I edited. But look at this gorgeous feast I just made, you guys. Bossam, which is this pork belly that is broiled in like different ingredients. Can't even talk right now because it took like 2.5 hours. This is Andrew's favorite meal right here. I also made a soybean paste stew. This is pickled Napa cabbage to wrap it in. And then I got some lettuce and perilla leaves as well. But look at this beautiful dinner. We're about to devour it. I've already tried the pork belly and it tastes so good. So yeah, gonna have it with some makgeolli, which is Korean rice wine, and this is the peach flavor. Oh, I'm so excited. Smells good. So good, right? Got so cold in that coffee shop, so I put on my sweater. But I'm heading to my doctor's appointment now. Hello friends, it has been such a long day. My doctor's appointment went really well earlier. I really just got my annual physical where they did some blood work. It's something that I aim to do once a year. Now that I'm 30 and entering another decade, a new decade, I'm just trying to take care of my health and make sure that I go to the doctor like every year for prevention purposes. And then I came back, I edited more. We went to the laundromat to get all of our big laundry done, like our rug, our sheets, like all of our bed linens. Also took Pico on a walk, and I'm still editing right now. It's 10 p.m. I'm still editing. I just want to make sure that I have some videos up while I'm on my next trip. Before I tell you guys what my next trip is, I actually went and also bought a bottle of wine so I can have a little bit right now because it's been a long day. Ta-da! Because I'll be gone soon. I bought this little mini size wine. Isn't it cute? It's not super mini, but it's like a mid-sized bottle of wine. I'm gonna have some of this. Okay, so I'm really excited because tomorrow after work, Andrew and I are flying to the Bay Area in California, and that's because we're gonna be meeting up with Andrew's dad to take a flight to the Philippines. This is gonna be quite an emotional trip because Andrew's dad is Filipino, but he was born and raised in the US, so he's really never had the chance to go back to his motherland and see his roots and see his people and kind of get connected to his culture in the way of traveling. So this is just gonna be like the best trip ever. Andrew and I have actually been to the Philippines before. That was back in 2019, and I freaking loved it. I learned so much about Filipino culture and food through Andrew, so it's honestly just like one of my favorite countries in the entire world. We're gonna be there for a total of 10 days, going to different cities, and it's gonna be a lot of domestic traveling, so I'm packing light. I'm actually getting ready to finish packing once I finish editing. It's been a really hectic couple of days, just kind of getting everything prepared for this trip and planning out the itinerary. I feel like there's an added layer of pressure because Andrew's dad is going to be with us, so I want to make sure everything goes smoothly. This is also his dad's first long haul flight, and he's been to Europe a couple of times, but not a flight that is this long. So I just want to make sure he's comfortable and that we have things planned out, because I'm definitely like the planner amongst us. It's gonna be hot since we're going first week of September, so I'm packing really light clothes. I'm packing some beachy clothes, and then I also bought a travel backpack from Muji because I know I'll be doing some shopping. I already plan on getting some gifts for family and friends, so I still have so much to do. It's already 10 p.m. but we're leaving right after work tomorrow, so I really have no time to do anything tomorrow. I have to get it all done today, so stay tuned for my vlogs in the Philippines. I feel like this is gonna be even sentimental for me, just watching somebody connect with his motherland, because I know what it feels like to just be so in love and like deeply connected to somewhere that you're from, somewhere that makes you feel like home. And I have a feeling that his dad is gonna feel that way. And even Andrew, I feel like he is so happy when he's in the Philippines and just so comfortable and free and light. Thank you all so much for watching this vlog. It was a little bit all over the place, but that's honestly just how my life is. But y'all have a great rest of your week, and see you all in the Philippines. Bye.